What's up, guys? So I just wanted to, in my effort to make more content, I just wanted to create this video to talk to you guys about some no-code automations to kind of show off what we got going on here at Hustle OS. So, um, what you're looking at is right now is one of two parts of an automation that makes the AI automatically follow up with prospects like infinitely. Like it's an infinite follow-up, so it'll keep following up with the person until they book an appointment or they opt out from text messages or whatever. It's not super intrusive. It randomly spreads it out like to make it seem more human-like with the follow-up. And so I'll just kind of walk you guys through it and show you. So what we're doing here, the trigger is a Instagram DM, a SMS, or a Facebook message. So this has to be on an actual page, not a personal profile that's in professional mode or anything like that. You have to actually have a Facebook page that you can get likes on. So for this example, we're just gonna follow the SMS trigger. So what happens? Customer responds via SMS. So here it's going to update a contact field, and what this is doing is just updating the last contacted date with the current date. Then it's going to remove them from our SMS follow-up workflow. And the reason why we're doing that is because you can only be in the workflow once at a time. So a contact can't be in a workflow twice. So we have to, if they're already in the SMS follow-up workflow, we remove them from the workflow and then we'll add them back here. So we're removing them from that follow-up workflow just in case they were in there. Then we're gonna wait 0.2 minutes. It's like 20 seconds or something like that. And then we're gonna add them back to the workflow. So this is the first part. When they respond on SMS, this is the first thing that happens. So we update the last contacted date, remove them from the workflow, and then we put them back in it. So now I'm going to jump over to the actual follow-up workflow and show you what happens. So now, once they get put back into this follow-up workflow, we're going to look to see if this was a AI lead, meaning like, so on this particular customer, on the front end, they have an opt-in form that goes to the AI, and so they get tagged with this tag from this AI Riva tag. And so we're looking to see if the person is an AI lead that came through the form. If they weren't, then we're not going to do nothing. If they were, then we're going to have the AI automatically start following up with them randomly between 1 and 5 days. So what happens, so yes, they are an AI lead, so then it'll come to the split, and then it splits it between 1 and 5 days evenly. And so then once it comes down here, it'll wait a day, and then we're looking at another condition, and the condition is if their last appointment is in the next 30 days. So if they have an appointment booked in the next 30 days, then we're not going to follow up with them because the AI has already done its job in booking the appointment with them, or somebody did their job and booked an appointment with it. It don't necessarily have to be the AI, but if they have a appointment in the CRM, then it's not going to have the AI follow up. But if they don't have an appointment, then it's going to go down this no path. And so the first thing it's going to do is compare the date. So it's going to compare 2 dates, and it's going to compare the current date from the last contacted date. And so from there, we'll add a tag, and then we'll feed the AI context. So now we're feeding the AI the context saying, here's the context. The user is still not booked a seller consultation. It's been however many days, 4 days, 5 days, 10 days, or whenever the last time that this is calculated that since we contacted that person. So it's been 4 days. As the #1 sales rep for Will Sell for the past 3 years, it is your responsibility to re-engage leads that have not responded. And then we give it its first task to generate a message to follow up with the user to restart the conversation. And so what we're doing here is we're not feeding it a script. we're giving it the power to, it already knows what its objective is from the prompt attached to this assistant ID. And so it's gonna reach back out to the person and come up with its own unique message to try to re-engage the person to get them to book an appointment. And so this is why what we're doing here at Hustle OS is so powerful, because we literally take 90% of the manual work as far as lead generation and follow-up. We take it out of your hands and we put a AI employee that works for you 24/7, 365. We give them the wheels, and it does it perfectly with really no flaws, honestly. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, so this is one of the automations that I have that I'm building for this customer. They also will have the same thing for Facebook and Instagram too. So if somebody messages their page on Facebook, we'll have the AI automatically following up with them. And the difference is, for Facebook and Instagram, it has to be within the 24-hour period. And so now at any time, whether it's 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 in the afternoon, Christmas Day, Thanksgiving Day, or whatever the case may be, this AI will follow up automatically for this business owner, and they'll never miss another lead again. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment to let me know what you think, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. I've got a lot more coming your way. Don't miss out.